Come along with me while I enjoy a snow day with my German Shepherd Mace.
Good boy. Good doggy.
He is really having fun in this snow.
Oh, you want to go walking? Come on, let's go. Oh, you want to go walking? Okay. 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 Whoa. I like that snow. Good boy. Good. Oh, he wants to go walking. He wants to go walking. You want to go walking. You love this, huh? Good boy. Good boy. I do not think I want to go walking. Although it's melting. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe I'll take him for a short walk. He's ready. He's ready. Okay. Okay. All right. He wanted to go for a short walk. Okay. He liked the snow. Come on. Come on. Okay. 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 I am not going far. We just decided to come out and enjoy a little nature. Me and my shepherd. He's enjoying it for sure.